Imagine transforming any surface into a canvas with the 360 Rotary UV printer. This powerhouse isn't just about printing. It's about unleashing your creativity, right? With its versatile printing capabilities, you can print on both cylindrical surfaces and irregular tapered or conical objects, such as tumblers, vacuum flasks, glassware, cups, golf balls, and baseballs. How cool is that? The high-speed printing means you won't be waiting around, printing a full wrap on a tumbler in as fast as 45 seconds. Your designs come to life in a flash. Seriously, it's like having a magic wand for your projects. And don't worry if you're not a tech whiz, this printer is super user-friendly. You'll be up and running in no time, making it perfect for anyone, whether you're a hobbyist or a business owner. So, why wait? Click the link now and step into a world of endless possibilities with the 360 Rotary UV printer. Your next masterpiece is just a print away.